Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Sunday the 26th. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Tomorrow is Monday, so you guys have a good Monday. We got another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Big old box. You're going to see what's inside, and you guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. You guys can get one at a low cost. I'm not sure where this is coming from. We're about to find out. Yep. One more cut. Oh, yes. Here we go. Oh, this is heavy. Hey, buddy. This is coming from Ophanie. You guys might want to get one of these for the holidays. These are perfect portable massage neck and back massager with heat. These are really nice to have. Here's all the good functions. Shiatsu pounds. Here's that. Front power button time 20 minutes. Built-in overheating. Direction button. Speed button. Heat button. Different positions you could use it on. Stomach area. Office. Home. Car. Yeah, buddy. Let's take a look inside. Let's see what she could do. And you guys could get one at a low cost. And here we go. Oh, comes with a nice little travel bag. That is nice. And a little. Not sure what this does. For the back. Maybe to cover up the Ophanie. That's a nice little bag. Boom. Alright, alright. Now here comes the big guy. Oh, we got other stuff in here. Travel accessories. Manual. We don't need no manual. Alright, this is it. This is the plug. You plug it in to charge it up for your home. And this is for the road. RVs, boats even on. You can take it down on the boat. Now here's the nice masseuse. Alright. This thing out. Oh, that's a nice color. I like this one. It's really nice. Alright. Here we go. Look at that. Bam. All in black. This, two balls or the massagers right here. And then there's two on here. And this lights up. It should light up red when it heats. And right here we got the controls, power, rotate, strength, and the heat. And we got the straps. Ophanie straps right there. You can just for the back, just hook it over your shoulders and put your arms like right through. Like this, kind of like getting your, what's that thing? You know what I mean? Doctor's office, getting it checked. And then here's that. And then. Yep, I'm going to have to juice it up. Alright, give me 1 sec. Alrighty, here we go. I got it nice and plugged in over there. Got him on a wall socket. And there's the connector. So all you gotta do is pop this thing in right there. You hear a nice little snap in there. And then, so if you are on your gaming chair during your gaming sessions, you guys gotta just do boom, look at that. Oh yeah. I mean, look at that movement. Really cool. Look at that glow. That's that heat right there. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, zoom it out. Got that heat right there. I'm telling you, then there's reverse. There's a speed. And then you can turn the heat off. Turn it back on. That one right there. One touch. Nice and easy. So really cool. Ophanie. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a great weekend. And see you soon.